Welcome all of you to this interview where we have one of our students, Mr. Sambandham, who is based in Hyderabad and who is actually a trainer for Air India. Along with being a trainer for Air India, he has been a very amazing student. He has generated some very good returns from the US stock market. In fact, he had made the highest gain in the shortest period of time and biggest growth for a small investment and so many other laurels. Let us hear from Mr. Sambandham. Mr. Sambandham, how are you doing?
I'm good, Mr. Pradeep, and this is really a good journey that we had with Dr. Pavitra and Fortune Academy. I was a novice; I didn't know anything about, and I was not even aware of about investing in U.S. market. But now, after joining Fortune Academy, slowly I started learning. I, being an engineer by profession, I don't know much about the finance, but the eye opener has been made by Dr. Pavitra that I must confess and accept. And in addition to that, opening a new avenue in the US market. Well, probably stock market means we know NSE, BSE, but US market was something different, and it was not known that we could open an account over there. So that was a another eye opener for me from Fortune Academy. Yeah, after opening the account, there have been some teething problems in the beginning to open the account, but at the same time, there have been helps extended by HDFC and open the account. After opening the account, uh, a, a constant touch and the constant kind of inputs were being provided by Dr. Pavitra. And at one point of time in a class, she was mentioning that you students, if you are unable to invest in blockchain because it is totally gone beyond the reach, so you can go for Riot. That's one another blockchain kind of share you can buy. So I listened to that and then invested. Within 2 days, I'm not exaggerating anything. I'm just saying the fact that it is within 2 days, I could gain about 80% in that particular share alone. And till date, whatever I have invested in US market, I never faced any loss in any of the trades what I'm experiencing as of now. So this is a totally
Absolutely.
game changer for me.
Absolutely amazing what you shared, Mr. Samanam, because from not knowing about the avenue itself to taking action, whatever inputs are given to you, actually opening the account, doing the trades, and showing these results is really inspiring. Can you tell us how long back you have started on this journey? How many months has it been? And did you face any problems initially getting used to the system or otherwise?
The journey started in December 14th, and that is when I stepped into Fortune Academy. And it was the learning period for me for some time because the course is having a different breakup in between. So it was initially a learning journey, and then this investment started. Initially opening the account, as I mentioned already, that there were been some problems with the HDFC. That could be anyway sorted out later, and then once the account was open, this the equity market opening has taken place from February onwards. So from February, March, April, May, even though there have been so many changes in the US market, I could achieve a better result in the US market till date. That's what I think it will continue forever. And in addition to that, the Indian market, about which also it was not left out. There have been lessons taught to me about you have taught me. In fact, Mr. Pradeep has given a good input about the 10 parameters, and not only the 10 parameters to calculate about to know about it. It is also a Bose calculator, I can say, a Bose spreadsheet which has been given to me. That becomes too handy so that we can easily calculate, we can easily assess the companies, and we can know about the company's future also, how much, whether it is a growth oriented, whether it is asset oriented, or it is a kind of dividend oriented. So these things were been easily distinguished so that we can focus on what we can invest on. So this was another good aspect as far as the Indian markets are concerned. Not only that, it is a fundamental analysis basically, but not only fundamental is helping every time. So the coverage was taken place on the technical analysis also, especially studying about the Bollinger Band, its balloon expansion, and the balloon, what when it is going to burst, or what is the mean to study about. those inputs were also been given to us. I'm really happy about that, and I'm able to assess both fundamental as well on technical, so that timing of the trading I'm able to do confidently nowadays. In addition to that, about the options, this is one major thing which I could not miss out at all by Dr. Pavitra. No, the strategy, whatever were been shared among the students by Fortune Academy, was totally a different and eye opener for all of us. It was not a kind of straddle strategy or a kind of strangle strategy or a condo strategy. It is a different strategy altogether, which was been shared to all of us, and that makes a consistent profit. Whether the market is going up or going down, whatever it is, just an assessment and then invest. Though the investment may be a little heavy in the beginning, it was, but at the same time, the consistent profit month on month, week on week on indices were being made. Though I'm not much doing on indices, but I could study the indices because as Dr. Pavitra doesn't recommend the indices, so indexes. So I'm not doing on index, but at the same time I'm studying. Yes, on year on month as well, week on week. We are always experiencing, at least on paper trade, as far as the index is concerned, there is a profit made. So that is my journey with Fortune Academy. I'm really happy about it.
Amazing. Thank you so much, Samadam. Like you have given clarity on many aspects, whatever techniques you have learned, however you have made use of them, not only in the US markets, but also the Indian markets. I want to understand from you as an individual, as a person, what changes have you experienced in your life before you joined Fortune Academy and after you have joined? Have you noticed any changes?
Number one, I didn't know much about the stock market. I learned it. Number two, confidence. Now I have 100% confidence on handling the things. Of course, it doesn't mean that I can overtake my mentor. It is not so. I will always take her support. I will always take Dr. Pavitra's support. But at the same time, the confidence is there in me because normally when we invest in the stock market, we lack confidence. We look forward here or there. Will somebody give a tip off? These are the things normally as a trading person we will be looking for. But at the same time, now I'm not looking for any tips. I'm not looking for any kind of inputs from others. Of course, the news and other inputs we may be watching, that is a regular thing what we are doing. Apart from that, merely studying and then investing, that is what the confidence I have got now. So
Amazing, amazing.
number
Thank you
one
for.
is a major thing, which is confidence. That is what I could emphasize upon, apart from the learning what I had gained from Fortunaca.
Very good. So, how do you manage your job? I know you are working with Air India, you are training their personnel. How do you manage investing and your job? Can you talk a little bit about that aspect?
Job doesn't come as an interference. I work for Air India, and at that time I work for the company. That's it. It doesn't mean it will be it will be taking my time for trading, because it is planned well before. Number one. Number two, I need not have to sit in front of the computer all the time to monitor whether my trade is doing good or no. It's not the case. It is happening.
Yeah,
So after all, internet is doing the work, not me.
absolutely correct. So, any advice or suggestion you want to give for students who are considering joining Fortune Academy, who want to learn investing? Any advice in general for students?
I may not be able to say this as a kind of advice, but I can say this always as a suggestion. There are many in the market that we can see that there are mentors available for teaching, for kind of guidance, and there are so many persons, unprofessional people, those who give tip off, and they may charge some money for that, but it is all leading towards, sometimes, because I have personally experienced, it all leads towards some kind of losses. But what Dr. Pavitra, the strategy, what she gives is, never lose your capital, protect the capital, and promote it. I mean to say, elevate it further, increase it. This is what the strategy what she has given. So I don't depend upon any person, those who are giving tips, or any person, those who are advising that this can be bought, that can be bought, etc. I just follow whatever is being taught as a concept to me, and then I do the trading based on that concepts what is being taught. So that is what is giving consistent profit the results. And this is what I could suggest to others, because I'm just a beginner, maybe a 6 months old baby in front of Fortune Academy. Fortune Academy knows very well the things. So I'm just suggesting that, protecting the capital is more important than getting into more greed and then losing the capital. So instead of following some kind of tip off, I think getting a proper lesson and then improving ourselves, our confidence is more required, I feel, is my
Absolutely,
suggestion.
absolutely amazing, Mr. Sambandam. What you said is absolutely correct. Many people, they go for these tip-offs. They buy the stocks without understanding the fundamentals. They don't have the confidence. Sometimes they end up buying penny stocks. They lose their entire investment. But like you said, risk management is of paramount importance. And you have been an example to many students, because apart from working in a full-time job, you have had the discipline and the strength to learn and implement a parallel income source, a secondary income source, by becoming a student of Fortune Academy. And like you said, it is important to learn from the right mentors, to learn about risk management, to learn about analyzing companies, and not only learn, but to take action. Like you were saying, how you were able to make 80% profit in just a matter of 2 days, more than the amount of profit that you have made. What I want people to understand is the fact that you have taken action. When Pavitra has asked you to buy the shares of a particular company, you have done your analysis. When you felt that it was worth buying those company shares, you have invested the right amount of capital and reaped the results of it. So that way, I think Mr. Samandam stands an example for many people, especially for employees who are working in a job, with the amount of confidence that he has. Tomorrow, even if something goes wrong at his professional front, I'm sure he will be able to better handle the situation than many more people out there. And in terms of COVID, it becomes absolutely important that everyone learn about the skill of investing rather than learning it from anybody else. It is always better to learn from the people who've been there and done that. So with that, I want to thank you, some of them, for taking the time for being in this webinar. If I want you to speak a little bit about any other wins or successes that you have had in your investing journey, and any concluding remarks that you have for our students and viewers.
There are many successes, I could say, because of option strategy, option puts. I have written so many puts. So I think all those details have been submitted. I'm not able to recall how much has been generated out of that. But it was all submitted to you, so you are aware of about it also.
Yes,
It was a good profit, and that too, it is not taking much of my time. That's what I'm trying to say. It was just a kind of order punching. That's it. After that, before punching the order, yes, we need to spend time. That time I can spend in my off working hours. It
yeah,
doesn't mean that I have to work in that office hours for investing or for trading. So I could do the punching of order even after or before office hours. And then during office hours, I need not to even monitor because the strategy is going good. So
absolutely.
once the month end, maybe in the weekend, I could monitor and then I could know how much I have reaped in. So this
Very
is
good.
how it was going on. So it is not a much wastage of time for me, or it is not grabbing the time of my office. So without that, I could do that. Yeah, there have been so many other good
Just
returns.
for the record, let me read it out. I think one is in the maximum gain in shortest time. You have made 303 US dollars in a very short amount of time, and maximum wealth created close to 97,000 rupees is what you have made. So these have been your wins as just a 6 month old investor in the stock markets.
It
So
was it
any,
was not even it was not even 6 months. When the time I submitted that, it was just 2 months. Now
yes,
it is a little bit more. So after that reports I have not submitted. It was the beginning stage when I was still continuing. So at that
okay,
time I was submitted this report. So it was
okay.
within 2 months, I could say.
Now you have made more than that.
Yeah,
Amazing.
yeah.
So any
Thanks,
any
thanks to
any
you.
any concluding remarks, some of them, for our students or
Concluding
viewers?
remarks, yes, I wish to be with Fortune Academy. If there are some good venues coming up with Fortune Academy in the future, maybe a kind of good courses which has been planned. The strategy always in the stock market changes. So if there are some good strategies which is coming up, I wish to be part of that forever. So learning is my passion. Being the trainer, I give importance for learning. So learning gives me profit. So why I should not invest in that? That is what my concluding words are.
Absolutely amazing. Learning gives me profit. Why should I not learn? That is a very, very valid point. Well said. Thank you so much. You've been an inspiration. God bless you. We'll keep in touch about anything else coming up or otherwise also. Thank you so much, Samanam. Have a good day.
Thank you, Mr.
Thank you for watching this video.
Feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel, social media profiles, log on to our website and join any of our courses to get started on a journey of fortune living. The description to all of which is given below.